Hi, my name is Sir Eden Sosa. I am a video editor from a company based in Utah. Locally, I am a videographer. I'm also an aspiring content creator and a filmmaker. Sa work ko kasi madalas nag-edit ako ng videos for my clients. Mostly ginagawa ko ng vlogs, corporate videos, anything connected with short form content and long form content. As a content creator, sometimes kailangan ko ng creative output. So I usually do content ng gear reviews, so more on cameras or tech gear or digital art. So meron ako isang video na ginawa sa YouTube na parang I'm unboxing and parang giving the features nung laptop na yan. So sa akin parang during that time, okay, para matry ko lang kung ano lang magawa ko. That's after again another year, hindi rin ako ganun ka-consistent. Pero nakita ko yung video ko na yun nag-hit ng 100k, doon ako medyo sinipag. Then the pandemic hits, pinandun ko na sa bahay. So talagang puro editing at shooting lang ginawa. So medyo nag-produce na ako ng content nun. And somehow I was blessed na magkaroon ng mga minimal na sponsorship. And then through those sponsorships, medyo nagkaroon ako ng learnings as well. May papayo ko lang sa kanila is just keep exploring. Huwag kang matakot kung ano man yung gagawin mo. It's okay magkamali ka sa umpisa. It's okay if hindi maganda yung gawa mo. It's okay if maganda yung shot mo. Or it's okay if hindi pa maganda yung camera mo. As long as you start doing what you like to do and what you like to learn, dun kasi mag-isimula yan. Dun yung spark eh.